I'm 19 and I've spent almost $10,000 on courses. This is exactly what I've learned. The courses range anywhere from SMA for my agency and anywhere to mindset. I spent exactly $9,023.40. This is for 11 courses. Now, one of the courses is only $7, so technically it's around 10 courses. All these courses are within the last 12 months. These are courses I've bought, not the courses I've seen or borrowed from a friend. I've only borrowed one or two. Now, the one that I did borrow was a major one. It's probably the best one on the list. When buying a course, you should focus on the value more than the price. Now, let's say if the course costs 10k and you can bring back 30k while saving you many hours and stress, then it's 100% worth it. I don't have any regrets on the courses I've bought, but if I could go back in time, I'd only buy one or two of them, maybe even three. I'm not saying they were useless, but it's just these 2 or 3 courses would be the best ones, which would drive me and push me the furthest while saving time and not spending hours watching the courses. Even if you were just to get one valuable information from a course, that could change everything. That could scale your whole business and completely change your life. Courses are not needed. You could probably find the information online, but it speeds up the process by organizing and categorizing the information and putting it all into one place so you could easily find it, access it, and learn from. The courses will be useless if you don't take action, and you could probably find everything in courses online, but it depends which you favor more. If you favor time or money, you could spend money to save yourself time, or you could spend time to save yourself money. It's whatever you prefer and which one you think is more valuable to you at your current state. There are some videos that are online that are better than the paid ads, in my opinion, the one that I've been through. So depending on your situation, it's all up to you. You can buy a course about a certain subject to learn, or you can just look online, which will be sacrificing time instead of money. Knowledge is worth more than money, but it obviously depends on the state you're in and how much you got to invest. You shouldn't buy a course looking for some kind of script or some cheat code, since it'll most likely be useless, since loads of people in the course will be using it. It's also better to understand the reasoning and how the course owner got to that script and cheat code, so it's better to learn the principles behind it. From there, you can replicate the principles and put it into your own way, twist it into your own personality so it suits you, which will make it much more valuable. Let's compare courses to school. In my opinion, courses are much better than school. I didn't learn anything from school. If anything, it probably shifted my paradigm for the worse, probably slowed me down. I think courses and online learning will be the future. Instead of going to school, you can choose your teacher, your subject, and learn at your own pace. It's slowly taking over, and more people are dropping out and hating on the school system, and they prefer more online learning, courses, and so on. You shouldn't buy loads of courses, especially all at once, since one mentor might contradict the other, and instead it will leave you confused. It works the same way with following mentors on YouTube, for example. You shouldn't follow too many because, again, they might contradict each other. One might be saying one thing, the other one will be saying another, and that will probably leave you confused. You should only follow and stick to 1 or 2 courses at a time. 2 is probably pushing it, and you shouldn't follow that much people. You could learn from the mentors you like, that you resonate with, and from there you can put your own twist into it because you don't want to copy them completely. You could take inspiration and just learn. You can have all the information and all the courses in the world, but without taking action, it's useless. So the main one, you should be taking action. Now, something that's more important is mindset. Mindset is completely underrated. There could be 2 people, 2 of the exact people that are in the same course, so they start at the same time, everything's the exact same. One succeeds and the other one doesn't. The difference is the mindset. One has a better mindset than the other. Even while taking actions, if you don't have the right mindset, you will just be aimlessly doing tasks and you'll be self-sabotaging yourself. That's only a few of many points. So the important thing is your mindset, which beats any course. Literally, this is probably the fundamental that you need to take care of and improve. From there, everything else will just work in your favor. I think I pretty much covered everything. So yeah, don't underestimate what mindset could do.